Good evening, all of you. First of all, I would like to pay my heartily gratitude to CR Sir golden chance to speak on the YouTube platform of American Institute Kuchaman City. So today I am going to talk about a currently hot news and hot topic. Like there are some news, there are some there are rape cases in India. So today I am going to talk about women empowerment. So firstly, I am telling you what the basic meaning of empowerment, because you know very well about the meaning of women. So empowerment means to give same power to the girls comparison to boys in the society is empowerment. So first question that comes in our mind, like why there is need to women empowerment. Like if we talk about previous generation, like this is our generation. If we talk about the previous generation, then I think before 20 to 25 years there are some agendas. Like if you want to do the work, then there are males, like your in your home only males can do the work of outside of your home, and women will do only like women will do only houseworks. And if we talk about the over past in 90s or in 80s also, there are some basic rules for the women to survive in the society. But what is the modern generation? In modern generation, like there is need of women empowerment, but I think because of literacy, like literacy is increasing day by day, and you can see easily in every institute and in every school, like the topper will be girls. Like almost 70 to 80% in 70 to 80% institutes, the toppers will be girls. So we can assume easily, like the by the literacy, and by the literacy, like the next generation will know, like the next generation it's easily, and she will move forward easily in the society. And if we talk about the women empowerment, then we should not forget about rape cases in India because related. So in if I give my opinion about this, then I think the less knowledge of sex education is like basically the reason for rape cases in India. And you will be amazed to know, like the Rajasthan is Rajasthan is first state in the list of rape cases in India. So I appeal to government to start sex education continuously with LKG, UKG to higher classes. And now I'm telling you what is the ideal condition of women empowerment. Like, uh, like made with men and women. Like my left part is women and my right part is men. Like if we cut our if I cut my body into two parts, like left side is women, right side is men. Like if there is uh, if there is left part is working properly, then my body can't do any work. And if my the right part is doing, like the men's are doing their works properly, but there are not specific rules about the women's, then it's not good.